Placing of concrete Part 3. Placing of concrete in road slab and airfield slabs. The construction of road slabs, airfield slabs and ground floor slabs cannot be constructed in a single stretch. So, the concrete is generally placed in bays in these types of places. The ground surface on which the concrete is to be placed must be free from loose earth, stagnant water, and other organic matters like grass, roots, leaves etc. The ground surface should be sufficiently compacted and made damp to prevent the absorption of water from concrete. If the sufficient damp is not done, the bottom portion of concrete becomes weak. However, sometimes polyethylene film is placed on the ground surface in order to prevent absorption of water from concrete. At first, the entire portion is divided into a number of bays and concretes are filled in the alternate bays, giving enough scope for the concrete to undergo sufficient shrinkage. The required contraction and dummy joints are provided in the required places. After a while, the left-out bays are filled with the concrete. The thickness of the concrete must be properly maintained throughout the construction. The concrete must be dumped in the required places and should not pour. The practice of placing concrete in a heap at one place and then dragging it should be avoided. By this way, you can place the concrete in road slabs, airfield slabs and ground floor slabs. We will see the remaining situations of placing concrete in our upcoming videos. Till then, stay tuned to our channel. Kindly do like, share, comment your views and finally don't forget to subscribe our channel.